Hey folks, Mike from Iron Nation Garage. Our Westinghouse generator is going away for the winter. I have it topped off. It's a 3.4 gallon tank with ethanol free gas. We're going to add some Sta-Bil. As per Sta-Bil instructions, it is for every 2.5 gallons of gasoline, we are doing 1 ounce of Sta-Bil. So 1 ounce is right about where my finger is. There's lines, it's hard to see. You have quarter, half, 3/4, and 1 ounce right up here. So we're gonna do 1.5 ounces, which should be good. I might even go a little more just to get it in there. And then we're gonna run this thing for 5 minutes. I'll show you. Okay, that's 1 ounce that we're gonna be putting in. We have our Sta-Bil here. We're gonna add that in right here into our fuel, and that again, it's already filled up to the top with ethanol free. Let's do a little bit more. I do probably like 1/4. There we go. It's about 1/4 right there. A little more. There we go. That's 1/4 ounce. And we're gonna go in. And you can see we're topped off. We're gonna run for 5 minutes. You want to keep these tanks topped off over the winter so you do not allow the gas tanks to get moisture inside. That's my method. Some people drain them dry over the winter, which that's their idea. I like to keep them full so they don't get moisture. You don't want to dry out any of your seals. So some people empty them out, run them dry. You still have remnants of fuel in your carburetor. Even if you run them dry, there's still little bits in there. So I always prefer running the Sta-Bil through the fuel system. This way it's in your carburetor, in your gas tank and everything, and you're topped off, no moisture. Keep that tank full and then stow it. All right, turn our switch on here. Let's see how the Westinghouse fires up on us. It'll do a second time on its own. You'll see. Just give it a second. It'll go auto choke. Very good. So we're gonna let that run for 5 minutes, folks. 5 minutes, and then we're gonna stow it away for the winter. We're doing our Husqvarna 2-stroke blower now, so I'm gonna do about, that gas tank is nowhere near, I think it's probably less than maybe 1 gallon or less. So we're gonna probably just do 1/4. I might go a little more. It's not gonna hurt it. Do about 1/4 in there. That's good. I'm gonna add that right to our gas tank. And as you can see, I am not topped off. I'm pretty close to topped off with that tank, but we're gonna fire it up and good. Let this thing run for a little bit. As you can see, we have the Sta-Bil in the fuel tank. We're gonna let our blower run, and then have all that run through the system for about 5 minutes, so that we don't get any gummed up, nasty carburetors in April, right? Okay, and we got the generator running over here for about 5 minutes. Winterization at its best here. Gotta love it. One way of running the fuel through the system. Just one way. We went a little bit past 5 minutes, but that's okay. It's not going to hurt it. So we are off, and we are officially winterized, folks. Turned the blower off as well, too. The generator, we even did the chainsaw. So solid and ready to go.